This grilled asparagus and boursin wrapped in prosciutto is a real showstopper. It's the perfect dish to flaunt your suave culinary skills at the next cookout. Your friends will think they've died and gone to flavor heaven as this dish smacks their taste buds. Trust me on this, whip this up and bask in the praise. Easy to take on the road and ready to slap on the grill. This is your next favorite appetizer or side dish. Happy summer eating.